to speak up. The wind is just insane today, all day. I don't know how fast it's blowing, but it's crazy. We're gonna come check on Sassy's baby Blackjack. Hi, Sassy. So I took his brace off because his leg was knuckling over. And boy, it's still doing it. Pretty bad. So I think I'm gonna wait and just see if he can kind of strengthen it up on his own. But just take a look at how nice little stocky this little guy is. He got so big so fast, I can't believe it. This is the sound of the barn in the evenings when I get here to feed. This is the sound of a hungry barn. These are all the ones that are pregnant and still have to lamb. We've got one in the corner over here. This is kind of the corner where they all lamb, and she is looking like she's thinking about it. I just checked her backside and nothing going on there yet, but she's kind of standing off by herself and she was pawing at the ground, so we'll keep an eye on her. So I'm up in the hayloft, and in order to feed these girls, I gotta crawl through here and get over to where the good stuff is that they want. There's the peacocks. And there's all the starving sheep. They think they're starving. They actually still have food. Okay, so here we are in one of the outside mixing pens. It has an indoor stall, so lambs can cover. It also has a large outside area where they can learn to find their mamas. We gotta teach them, or give them time. We don't teach them. We gotta give them time to get used to finding their mom in a big open space. So this little guy right here is my daughter's second lamb that's been born. If we can get his mom out of the way. His name is Flash, and he was born on Monday. Well, you guys saw the video when I came up to the barn real early in the morning to help pull him. This is him, and he's growing really quick. Here is the second large outdoor mixing pen. And these girls want me to feed them, so I'm going to do that next. The week is really crazy, but today's my Friday. I work Saturday. Some help at night, which is really nice. Not tonight though, that's just during the week. But we have a calf, you guys. We got a calf. This week it's a little bull calf. It is the 6th bull calf in a row born on the ranch. No heifers. So we're hoping for some girls this year. Look at how cute he is. That face. This is the sound of a happy barn. Everybody's quiet. I just want to show you guys this lamb. It must have been born last night or today because it was not here when I was here last night. But look how white it is. Normally they're kind of gray, this breed, or black even. And this one is almost pure white. It's so cute. But enough about the sheep. Here's the real big news for the day. We got chickies! The chicks came all the way from Iowa, from Hoover's Hatchery, in this box. And, well, can't really see in there because it's pretty dark. It's just got a little bit of kind of a weird matte stuff on the bottom. So what I ended up getting before I knew I was getting an incubator, I ordered these 20 chicks. Well, there's 19. One of them did end up dying this morning. But I really wanted to get some French black copper Morans for those really, really dark chocolatey eggs. And then I also got 5 mixed breed of white egg-laying chickens, so I don't know exactly what they sent me. And I got 5 mixed breed of ones that lay some different colored eggs. So we'll see what we get, but they're so cute. You guys, I just love them. The little gray one is adorable. Lastly here, I just wanted to do a little update on the eggs in the incubator. So here they are. Today's day 17. Tomorrow is day 18, which means they go into lockdown. So I'll take them out of the little trays, put them on the floor of the incubator, and then just leave it be until they hatch. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a good night.